हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's deep dive into each of analytics type. So let's begin with descriptive type. Descriptive analytics. What is happening? So this is the most common of all forms. In business, it provides the analyst a view of key metrics and measures within the business. And examples of this could be a monthly profit and loss statement. This is the best example of a descriptive analytics, a monthly profit and loss statement. We also call it as a P and L statement. Similarly, an analyst could have data on a large population of customers, understanding demographic information on their customers. Example, 30% of our customers are self-employed would be categorized as descriptive analytics. So utilizing effective visualization tools enhances the message of descriptive analytics. So that's where the visualization comes into the pictures, and it makes a huge difference. So the best example that we have seen here is again a profit and loss statement, or any data, the analytics, or we can call it as analytics of that data can be called as a descriptive analytics when you use a dashboard such as Power BI or Tableau or NIME or R to create a dashboard using these tools. So the message will be conveyed much better than a simple textual output. So descriptive analytics is the analysis of historical data to understand what has happened in the past. It involves summarizing and visualizing data to identify patterns, trends, and insights. The goal of descriptive analytics is to provide a clear and comprehensive picture of the past and to enable decision making based on past performance. This is what descriptive, and here we get to know what is happening.